Boxarmygames here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a RiceGum style border. So as you see on screen right now, this is what we're trying to make. So hop on Photoshop, click on File, click on New, click on make sure the width is 1280 by 720. You can make the background content transparent or white, it doesn't matter. After you click OK, make sure you find an image that you like, put it on screen. After you have the image, go on new layer, and after you go on new layer, click this dotted box, go to corner to corner, make sure the color is white, and get the fill bucket. After you did the fill bucket, and then click on the dotted box again, and and then find a size that you like the border to be. I like it to be like this. After you find a size that you want, click delete, and then you should have a white border. So after you have the white border, click on overlay, which should make it clear. After you did that, we're halfway done. Click on blending options, click on draft shadow, click on outer glow. After you did that, go and click black, and then boom, you're done with the border. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helped you guys make your thumbnails. If you like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment down if it helped you. See you guys in the next video.